Have you ever wondered why Vonage is such a popular choice for businesses and individuals alike? Well, today we're going to uncover the age-old question. How old is Vonage? Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Vonage, as we know it today, is a leading provider of cloud communications solutions. But did you know that it wasn't always this big? It started small, with a vision to revolutionize the way we communicate. The birth of Vonage. So, when exactly was Vonage born? To answer that, we need to go back to the year 2001. It was during this time that a group of visionary entrepreneurs came together to form Vonage. Their goal was simple: to create a better way for people to connect. Early years and milestones. The early years of Vonage were marked by innovation and growth. The company quickly gained traction with its groundbreaking VoIP technology. Remember those early days of Skype? Well, Vonage was right there with it, offering a similar experience but with a focus on business communication. A timeline of growth. To give you a better understanding of Vonage's journey, let's take a look at some key milestones. 2001, Vonage is founded. 2002, Vonage launches its first VoIP service. 2004, Vonage goes public. 2006, Vonage acquires Nextel Communications. 2007, Vonage introduces its Vonage Business Cloud platform. 2011, Vonage acquires Net2 Phone. 2013, Vonage acquires Tango Telecom. 2017, Vonage acquires New Voice Media. As you can see, Vonage has been on quite a journey over the years. It has acquired numerous companies and expanded its offerings to become a comprehensive cloud communications provider. The present day. Today, Vonage is a global leader in the industry. It serves millions of customers worldwide and offers a wide range of products and services, including Unified Communications as a Service, UCaaS. This includes features like voice, video conferencing, messaging, and collaboration tools. Contact Center as a Service, CCaaS. This provides businesses with advanced contact center solutions. API Platform. Vonage offers a powerful API platform that allows developers to build custom communication applications. Why is Vonage so popular? Reliability. Vonage is known for its reliable network and high-quality service. Scalability. The company's cloud-based solutions are highly scalable, making it easy for businesses to grow and adapt. Flexibility. Vonage offers a wide range of products and services to meet the needs of different businesses. Innovation. Vonage is constantly innovating and introducing new features and technologies. The future of Vonage. So, what does the future hold for Vonage? Well, the company is well positioned to continue its growth and success. With its focus on innovation and customer satisfaction, Vonage is likely to remain a leader in the cloud communications industry for years to come. So, to answer the original question, how old is Vonage? Well, as of today, Vonage is 22 years old. It's a relatively young company compared to some of the other giants in the tech industry, but it has certainly made a significant impact. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.